Here's a really quick and simple Halloween design that will brighten up any area that just needs a little bit of a tweak this Halloween season. It's using one of these foils here, which is like 3 foils all in one connected together. And we're going to air fill it and mount it on a base. Now you'll notice that it's slightly off centre here, so it's unlikely to stand up straight. So in order to counteract that, we're going to stand it on a double cluster. Here we have 4 Sempertex Fashion Tone balloons. These are 12-inch balloons inflated to 7 inches. We've got 2 lime green, 1 violet, 1 terracotta. And I'm going to take the foil weight and put it into the centre of the cluster, so the weight is on one side, the tassel is on the other, and just wrap those 2 balloons around so that it's trapped nice and firmly into the cluster, with the weight sitting just inside, so that it's the balloons that sit on the table, not the weight, and that way it'll add a lot more stability to the thing. The next cluster, which will sit on top, I have 4 balloons, the same colours, but this time they're 5-inch balloons. 2 of them inflated to 5 inches and 2 to 4 inches, and that will correct the angle on the foil. Take this cluster, pull the tail of the foil through, nice and firmly, nice and tight, and wrap those 2 balloons around. Then take your foil tail back through, wrap again, and do this 2 or 3 times until you are happy that the foil is very firmly attached and very well anchored to the cluster of balloons, so that it's really nice and tight up against the base of it. And then we're going to sit this on the top of here, and you can see by making these balloons a little smaller than these, then it straightens the whole thing up and sits more firmly and at the right angle. So in order to get them sit together, we'll take the neck of one of these 12-inch balloons, pull it up through the middle of the smaller cluster, nice and tight, wrap it around a few times, and now it's well and truly attached and nice and firm and standing straight. Now we could leave it at that. Nice, keep it really simple and just literally mount the balloon onto a base, but we can add a little bit of extra value and a little bit of extra detail by picking up on the gold here on the top. So we've got gold stars on the tallest pumpkin's hat, and so I'm going to use Reflex 260s that I have twisted into bubble chains. If you're not sure how to make bubble chains, then you can find a short instructional video elsewhere on the Decorator Hub, and you just simply scan the QR code or visit amscan.co.uk and click on the banner on the front page. Taken 2 of these, twist them together at the end, and then I'm going to wrap them around the edge of the balloon. So we'll start by tucking it under the edge of the hat there, like so. Pull it firmly, twist them together at that point there, then work your way down, twist again there, separate them again and go either side of the lilac pumpkin. Twist them together again here. And I'm going to leave the 2 end pieces there just as an added bit of extra detail, and then take the next pair, twist the ends together, take them around like so. Twists together there. Twist together there. And finally twist there. We've just added with the bubble chains that little bit of extra detail and interest to the outline of the pumpkins. And there you have it. Happy Halloween.